You have no idea what I'm doing, do you? Want to try some? Does that taste good? Look at that. Whew. I hope it don't taste like it smells. Try some? Oh, look, he opened wide. What do you think? It's different? Did you swallow it, or is it still in your mouth? Probably gonna need his baba to wash it down.
Probably.
Some more?